Oh, gotta run up here and find it. I don't know what that was. I see something up here. There's like some sort of trail in here. What was that? Yeah, maybe stand in here. What was that, guys? I don't know, but it doesn't seem right. But I don't know. I don't see anything. I'm in like this little area. It's like there's like that male scream. Never heard that other one earlier. I don't know, but it's. I just heard like a dog. There's animals on this property. I don't know. But the wind's picking up really quick. And there's some rocks here. They seem a little strange. But I don't know. Maybe I should go in there, maybe? That would probably be more possible. Maybe there's like that little slope that goes down. The dog is sounding over there, like over there. And that's like towards that noise. That was coming behind us too. It was like in that area, like it was like where the trees were, but it was like kind of like on like the hill. Like it was like kind of when I was coming down the hill and I was saying all that stuff. But how the frick, dude? Can I just like try to walk? I don't want to get caught. There's like some flat area over there. I was thinking maybe go over there and maybe we'll find like some sort of like resource. Can I try to get by here? I don't see no walkway. I'm gonna try to go through here, I guess. Actually, yeah, I'll just walk around. Alright, I'm just gonna. So, I don't know if I found anything, but I made it to the other side of that. So I'm gonna keep going down that little trail there, and I'm just gonna get to that flat zone, and maybe whatever's out there, I could try to maybe outrun it, or try to get to the cabin, because the sun is. Oh boy, it's setting real fast, and I don't want to be out here past dark, because I don't know how these creatures are at night. They seem pretty vicious, but I've never seen what a skinwalker was, but I seen like videos, but yeah, I think we should just go down that hill. It kind of looks like a trail, not really, but it has like a broken center-foot fence. Whoa. So I'm just gonna keep following this. And yeah, I see some sort of opening. So maybe it's safety. Oh, there's a lot of open space out here. I think I might have found the entrance, because over there was nothing. So I think we should maybe free firewood on the way. Am I right, boys? Girls? Yeah. So, okay, so I made it past over there and stuff, so I don't know. But, hold up. I see, like a tent. Okay. You guys see that? It's like some sort of like structure. I shouldn't really call out because what if that's that guy screaming? That could be that guy's cabin. But I was thinking maybe that's a skinwalker. Because they do come during the day and night. But they get vicious at night, so I think we should go to that tent and maybe find out like some ideas. I didn't see no thing on the, well, that could be maybe like some sort of like rescue or something like that, you know, like search and something. I want to be out there, like I'm trying to look here. I'm not trying to go in the field and deal with whoever that is. Yeah, let's go try to go to that tent. There's like some sort of pit. There's like a hill, and then it's like kind of over there. It's kind of in the area though. Like it's down there. That's like where I was. Not really was, but the field's there, and I was in that field. And I was probably that open target. So let's go. Ooh, there's like a pit here. So, oh yeah, it's over there. I see like something. Yeah, it is a tent. It's like a camel tent. Alright guys, let's go see what it is. I'll be really cautious when we get up to that tent. Hello? 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 Is anyone around there? Hello? You don't need more. Yeah, we don't, I don't mean harm. Just found your tent. Yeah, I'll just try to get a little closer. I just heard like a growling sound or, oh, it wasn't a growl, it was like a yeah, it was like a growling kind of like skinwalker, because they make that like sound or whatever. It sounded like one across like like over there. I was standing right over there. Like seriously. Anyways, that's terrifying over there. Anyways, let's check this tent over here. Sticks everywhere. Thorns. Hello? Oh my god, but there's a chair fall over. What's that thing? It's not. It's some old barbecue or something. I don't know. Hello? There's a little peephole. You guys can see anything? I can kind of see something in there. Maybe if I open the window. Hello? Okay, there's no one. There's a bag and there's a chair. This is still functioning kind of tent right here. Hello? Is anyone out here? I found your tent. I'm sorry for opening it and stuff. I know it's your privacy. We just found your tent here, and just want to tell you that's right here. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe let's go inside the tent, maybe. But that's Skinwalker. Shh. Just heard a mouse scream all the way over there. Dude, I feel like whatever it is, it's following us or something. But I don't know. But that's weird. Something's probably chasing me. I don't know what it is, but it's probably something like really scary. And I don't really want to make things worse. There's a chair here. It has some ice on it. But yeah, this might be our right here. This might be a campsite. But oh yeah, there's sorry, we're just using your tent, buddy. We'll just keep this door open right here. Okay, so alright, so I'm going to, this is gonna be my little camping spot. Let's try that. I hope you guys can see me. I think we have made it. This is not my tent, but this will probably be like some sort of our like solo kind of camping kind of thing. Cause I don't know. I gotta be cautious because like, so I should check on that map. The map we had. We must be like getting close. There was no tent on the screen. Okay, so this here. So okay, so we're here. We went up here. So this is the field right here. This doesn't really count as a field. Well, kind of. There's like it's like a field there. It's like that goes to the bridge. I didn't see a bridge, but this is the field, and we were like kind of like that hill right here. So I had a pen. I'll just mark. Okay, this is a good one. So right around like kind of like where that X is. That's kind of like where we were like in that kind of zone right there. We were like in this zone. So we walked down, kind of went off the trail a little bit, and then yeah, we went off the trail and then we went hide behind that mountain, and then now we're like kind of here. We're kind of like in that spot, kind of. So that means, well, we're pretty close to a trail, like really close. If you can see, that's quite not that far. So if we take this trail and then we go this way and then hit that split and go up. Oh wait, we have to go through the forest line. We are at the forest line. Oh wait, we did a big gap. We took here. Like this part was kind of like where we, oh yeah, I ran here. This is kind of like where the trail was. Oh yeah, and then we went. There was no trail though. There was like kind of like a dip though. So that was like up here. Like it was like a hill. Kind of like where that dot was. And then I came down. Because remember, I went in a big like loop. So I went up here. I think I fell off the trail and then I went up here. And then, so that means I'm like really close to this field here. So that means like the forest is right here, so I have to go kind of like west, so right in front of me actually. Oh my god, I see the darkness in front of me already. There's like the darkness of forest. But I don't know, I don't just want to get here. I want to get to the cabin safely and, you know, sound. So we're here. Oh, we have a long journey. If we just take this trail up, and if we find this split, then we just go down, and then we get out of the field, and then we just follow this trail up to the cabin. We don't want to go all the way too far, but we gotta keep going west until we hit like that. So we gotta keep going west until we hit like that split right there in the middle. So like kind of like right here. So when we go here, we gotta turn this way. So we put a little arrow. So we gotta go that way down, and then we gotta keep following that trail. And because if we go in a big loop and we go the danger way, then if we take the danger way, then we're gonna be screwed. But I don't know. You're down for a second. Put this down. Okay. Ready, guys? Alright, let's keep rocking. We gotta go. Alright, thank you, 10. We gotta keep going west. Alright, we gotta keep going west, guys. Okay, so I walked for a little bit and I found the trail on the one there. So that means I have to go that way, because there's a trail going that way. And then the sign is over that way and stuff. So we're gonna go that direction and then probably hopefully, yeah, because there's the forest, the entrance over there. I see it. So the forest is over there, the darker area. So let's hope with some luck, okay? So yeah, it's getting so dark now. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully we find our destination quick. 'Cause I'm not trying to make anything bad. It's just we gotta do the right thing sometimes. But yeah, I don't know. Sort of on the screen. Right from over there. That's towards like down the trail. I'll give you guys a little update in a little bit.